Hello guys, welcome back. In today's crypto technical analysis today, as usual, with a multiple time frame analysis for BTC and Ethereum. However, before we start, smash the like and subscribe if you haven't already for the future updates. So based on a weekly time frame, in the last few weeks we're consolidating at around here, and important level that one has to pay attention is going to be $28,300 is going to be extremely important based on a weekly as well as the daily time frame we're going to cover in a minute. However, as soon as we got rejection right from 60,000, 52 and 48 was the last exit, and we saw massive dump in the market. And I said, as long as this is an accumulation and we stay above 18,500 and 200, which were the confirmation at around 19,200 and $500, we saw the target number one, which was 30,000, cleared 30, nearly $2,000, and we saw massive about 70, nearly 5% with the current price action without getting an exit signal, nearly 60% pump for the spot back holders. Moving on to a daily time frame. Based on a daily time frame, BTC nearly at the consolidation zone. As long as we stay above $28,300 and $28,000, we are safe. Otherwise, there will be a panic in the market. Losing $28,000 will take us all the way up to $27,000 and $26,000, where, as you can see, we've got monthly levels plus and daily and weekly levels between $27,000 all the way up to $26,000. Also, higher time frame Fibonacci, as you can see, 0.618 is at around $27,500 and $27,000 is another confluence that you have to pay attention. That if you're going to take from this low all the way up to this high, and you will get this fib levels. So on the daily time frame, we can see a clear picture consolidation on the weekly time frame. However, as soon as we broke $19,200 and $500 within this candle on the daily, single daily candle, and we saw massive pump in the market with a V-shaped recovery, $30,000 first target cleared, and without getting an exit signal, we nearly reached to second target, which was at $32,000. As you can see, if we take an average, we saw for the daily time frame traders, for the spot back holders, nearly 65%, with the current price action over 50% pump in the market. ETH analysis. Ethereum on the daily time frame under consolidation, and this area is going to be extremely important. If we're going to hold from this level, we're nearly at the support as soon as we got a rejection right from here. Without claiming these Fibonacci levels based on a daily as well as the 4-hour time frame, it's very early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. I would follow ideally this monthly as well as the value area high. Claiming these levels as a support, we will go all the way up to 2,100 and 2,250 levels, which is early for us to talk about it because 4-hour time frame extremely under the bear's control. As you can see, rejection right from the value area high. As soon as we broke these fib levels, which is a confluence, as you can see, with a point of control, number of rejections, with the last retest, and we lost value area low as well. And then the long weighted target is going to be 1780, 1750. And then after that, we've got very important and crucial level. That's going to be $1,720. If we're going to lose this level, then the next level is going to be the daily. However, it is slightly early for us to talk about it at this stage, but 0.618 as well as the weekly and daily are very important. However, as soon as we claimed above 0.618, the fib level, we saw massive pump in the market, $1,950 and $2,000 second target level. We saw over 14% pump in the market. As soon as we lost this level and we had a trend change based on a lower time frame as well as the mid time frame, as you can see, and we saw so far nearly 7% dump in the market. And if you're a leverage trader, you do the maths for yourself. If you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and 101 Intense Masterclass is available, where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader in the market. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Moving on with the BTC analysis on the 4-hour time frame. As I said in the last video, this is a heavy resistance. As you can see, we've got monthly, daily, weekly. Also, that shows that confirms with the system that I'm following, smart money system. As soon as we got rejection right from $30,400 and $300, that was the second and the third test, which I mentioned previous videos as well as in Twitter, that we saw, as you can see, 6% plus dump in the market. As long as we do not lose this level, and we might do an SFP within $28,540, we might pump from here all the way up to $30,400 and $500 and clear all these levels where a lot of liquidity, and then this one as well, and we can clear these levels, and then we can have this type of price action. However, you have to pay attention. Rejection from monthly and daily and weekly, the next target level is going to be 27,000 all the way up to $26,000, where we have monthly and daily. However, we might print an SFP as well, clear this low. We might see an SFP and we can go all the way up to daily, weekly and monthly, and from there, if we're going to see a rejection, we will come to monthly all the way up to daily time frames. And we have to be careful at around here, as I said, if we're going to claim this level as a support, and then the first target daily, which is going to be $31,500 all the way up to $32,500. And these are the levels at this stage that we're following. Also, as you can see, diagonal resistance acting perfectly in the last 24 hours, kept rejecting, as I said. So if we're going to recap from the swing perspective, above we stayed above 26,800, 27,000, as I said, 30,000 all the way up to $32,000, and we saw massive pump, which is nearly 20% pump in the market. And I gave this exit signal $30,300 and $500. We saw decent dump in the market. That was another 6% plus dump in the market. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.